Greetings everyone, my name is Luqman Azri bin Azman and I will present my project which is one-stop phishing detection and prevention system for elderly users, which we call as PHiDeP.
FBI says hundreds of millions of dollars are stolen.
That's how a local family said scammers were able to steal more than $500 million from them.
We have all seen the news, haven't we? Picture this. This is Nenek Rose. Just last week, she got a text saying she won a big prize, but it asked for her bank details. Trusting it, she shared them and boom, she was scammed and her savings were gone. We don't want our elderly like Nenek Rose falling to victim, and we sure don't want them feeling sad and helpless. Do you know why elderly are still struggling with phishing? The first problem is challenge faced by the elderly in identifying the phishing scams. Many elderly struggle to recognize phishing attempts because of factors such as cognitive decline, limited technological skills, and impaired vision. They tend to place a high level of trust in messages that appear official or urgent, which makes them especially vulnerable to scams that mimic banks, government agencies, and also service providers, making them as an easy target for phishing. Second, the complexity of existing phishing detection tools for elderly users. Most phishing detection tools are designed for younger users, leaving seniors confused and unable to use them. A simple and age-friendly design is needed for them to use. Lastly, the difficulty in balancing detection accuracy and efficiency on mobile device. Seniors mostly use mobile phone, but existing systems need a lot of power, causing slow performance and quick battery drain, affecting the system effectiveness and usability for the elderly user. That's why PHiDeP was created and introduced, a mobile app powered by machine learning and NLP to shield elderly from these phishing traps. It's a promise to keep our loved ones safe and smiling. PHiDeP uses machine learning and NLP to scan messages and identify phishing URL and message content in SMS. It also provides notification with color-coded alert for easy threat recognition. PHiDeP offers clear instruction and education on how to respond to detected threat. Users also can chat with chatbot to ask about phishing. PHiDeP feature with large fonts, intuitive icons, and minimal technical for ease of use. PHiDeP is a mobile app developed to achieve three main objectives. First one is to design a user-friendly phishing detection application that is easy to use and accessible for elderly users. Second, we want to build and deploy machine learning and natural language processing based model to detect the phishing attempts. And lastly, to develop user dashboard to display phishing detection result, recent history, and phishing prevention tips. Let us move on to model implementation of PHiDeP. On the left side, you can see the flow of the model to identify the content and the context of the message. First, we do text processing by cleaning the text to convert to lowercase, remove special characters, remove stop word, and apply lemmatization. Then, we do URL feature extraction by extract and analyze features such as shortening service, suspicious parameter, and suspicious stock level domain. Then, we classify with decision tree. Then, we apply PHiDeP vectorization to clean the text by measure how important words are, such as the verify, account, click to help to highlight phishing-related keywords statistically. Then, we use bird and sentence transformers to understand the deep meaning and the context of the message. Then, we calculate the constant similarity to non-phishing phrase. We also perform tone analysis to flag agency or fear-based language. Then, we combine all extracted features into a single feature vector, which is the PHiDeP score, URL phishing rate score, and bird semantic similarity score. For the final classification, we feed the combined features into a random forest classifier. If above threshold, we classify as phishing and trigger alert. PHiDeP have 4 main modules, which is phishing detection model, alert and history, guidance, admin and user dashboard. To develop this mobile application, PHiDeP used Android Studio as a front end, plus API as application layer, Firebase as data storage layer, and ML and NLP as intelligent detection engine. Let us proceed to the demo. We start with the phishing detection first. Right now, let us log in as user first, which is the elderly. So how does PHiDeP scan the message? It's got 2 awesome ways to catch those phishing scams. First, you can manually copy and paste any suspicious tag into the text field. Second, just press the start button and PHiDeP will run in the background, automatically scanning every incoming message for phishing threat. Let us begin with the first scenario where PHiDeP is running in the background and detects a message with URL and identified as phishing. As soon as incoming message is received, PHiDeP automatically scans it within a second, without the user needing to do anything. It will provide alert with color-coded as you can see. The alert contains the original message, prediction result and analysis of the content. This helps the user instantly understand why the message is phishing. Now let us test PHiDeP real-time background capability in action. Imagine we are just scrolling through social media casually and suddenly an incoming message arrives. PHiDeP still detects it in real time and issues an alert without interrupting the user experience. This ensures safety even when users are not actively checking their message. Moving on to the second scenario, which we will run in the background using message with URL by identified as safe. As you can see, the system generates a green alert signaling that the message is safe. Move on to the third scenario, which we will manually input the text and identify as safe. As you can see here, the message analysis does not contain any strong phishing indicator. Moving on to the fourth scenario, which PHiDeP is capable to detect the message only as the model can understand the content and the context of the message. As you can see, the prediction is phishing and the analysis provided. This shows PHiDeP doesn't just rely on URL, but it understands the language and intent of the message. So for the last scenario, we will manually input the URL only, as PHiDeP also capable to scan with input URL only. Let's say we found suspicious web at the Google and we want to check whether the URL is phishing or not. Just simply copy the URL, then paste the text on the text field. As you can see, the result is phishing and give the analysis of URL. PHiDeP also keeps a record of previously detected message by clicking the History tab. This detection history allows users to see the timestamp, original message, and the prediction. In the Guidance tab, it will display phishing prevention tips based on the pattern and their description. This context-aware tips helps users understand why a message is dangerous and how to avoid similar traps in the future. User can click the message icon to interact with the chatbot for phishing-related questions. For example, what is phishing? The chatbot will respond instantly with clear explanation to help user understand and respond to the potential scam. And finally, PHiDeP includes a reporting feature that allows users to stay engaged and contribute to improving the app. Users can report bugs they have encountered, suggest new ideas or improvement, or share general feedback about their experience. User can click the report history button to show the response from admin. Status rate for pending green has responded. Let us move on to the impact and benefits of PHiDeP. First, it is user-friendly design for elderly users. The system features an intuitive mobile interface with large fonts, color-coded alerts, and clear instructions tailored to accommodate age-related sensory and cognitive limitations. It also provides dual detection mode, which is the automatic SMS analysis and manual input, to enhance the accessibility and flexibility for users. Second, it's automated and real-time protection. PHiDeP automatically analyzes incoming SMS message and manually insert content, providing real-time alerts for structural URL anomalies and manipulative phishing message. The system also operates in the background, ensuring seamless protection without disrupting the user experience. Third, it is comprehensive and explainable detection. The hybrid model integrates lightweight machine learning, which is the decision tree, and deep semantic analysis, which is built for contextual understanding, offering high accuracy and humor-readable explanation for flagged content. Lastly, educational and interactive features. The guidance model provides actionable tips on responding to phishing threats, while the chatbot offers real-time, conversational support for phishing-related queries, enhancing user engagement and learning. Let us move on to the entrepreneurship opportunities. First, PHiDeP can partnership with insurance provider for cyber insurance add-on. PHiDeP can collaborate with Malaysian insurance companies, for example Prudential, Etika, to integrate PHiDeP as a value-added service or risk mitigation tool for cyber insurance policies. We can license PHiDeP to insurers as a branded app or a branded feature in their digital platform. Revenue could come from licensing fee, per user subscription, or a revenue sharing model based on reduced claim payouts. Second, collaboration with government and NGOs. PHiDeP can partner with Malaysian government agencies such as Ministry of Communication or NGOs that focus on elderly welfare to distribute PHiDeP as part of digital literacy and cybersecurity initiative. We can deploy PHiDeP in public awareness campaign or as a free tool for elderly user, funded through partnership or sponsorship from corporate social responsibility programs. Third is business to consumer mobile apps for elderly user. We can launch PHiDeP as a consumer-facing mobile application targeting elderly user and their families in Malaysia. There are 3 freemium models, which a free basic version with limited auto scan up to 200 SMS per month. Ad will be displayed and limited access to chatbot. Next is premium package pricing at RM5 per month with limited auto scans up to 500 SMS per month, ads-free experience, full access to phishing guidance and chatbot. For Pro package, user will have unlimited SMS auto scan, ads-free and early access to the new features. That's all from me. Thank you.